YouTube, this is Colonial Puppet, and this is a box that just came in the mail for me. I marked out all the important information on it so you can't look up my house. And if you're not new to my channel, you know that I never do unboxing videos, but this is a special box because it is a part to something that I'm restoring, and I will show you what that is in a minute. But before I do that, I'm going to open this mystery box and show you guys what's inside. So I'm going to take this very sharp object and I'm going to cut into the box. Now hopefully this thing survived because it is very fragile. I'll give you that much of a hint. Open it up, and as you can see, whoever sent this to me was nice enough to give it some padding. Maybe not the best amount, but here we have it. Mac Memories SC SI hard disk drive. A whopping, let's have that focus, 160 megabytes, and it has System 7.1. This is a hard drive. I think from like 1991, 1992. Attention, observe. Precautions for handling electrostatic sensitive device. Yes, that is true because this is a hard drive. Let's open it up, pull it out. Oh my Jesus. There we go. So, this is what I purchased. As you can see, it has the Apple logo. 1992, yep. And I think it's an IBM, yeah. It's an IBM drive made in Japan. Have not broken the warranty yet. And yeah, this is 25 years old. As you can see, it's thick as hell. It has these little dampeners on it. So in case it moves around, it won't damage the discs. But yeah, why did I buy this extremely out-of-date hard drive? Well, it's because I am going to be putting it in, hold on, this device right here. Let me open this out a little bit. I'm going to be putting this hard drive into this Macintosh SE. And as you can see, it's a hollow Macintosh SE. I have all the guts sprawled out on my bed, but in this video I'm going to be reassembling this Macintosh SE, which I disassembled to clean the case and retro bright it. I didn't do the best job. You can kind of see some yellow marks, but this is going to be my like personal vintage gaming system, so I don't really care that much. I'm not trying to make this museum quality, but as you can see, Macintosh SE, I think this is from 1989. Macintosh SEs came out in 1987, I believe. This one is from 1988, actually. Yeah, so I'm going to start reassembling this. So this is the front plate of the, or front cover of the Macintosh SE. As you can see, there are two slots, one right here and one right here. This one has been covered up with this little panel. That's because this came with a floppy disk, 800K floppy disk, and a hard disk drive. The hard disk drive, to my knowledge, doesn't work. It wasn't booting off of it, and the floppy disk drive doesn't work as well, but that's okay. I can replace that later. This new hard drive that I bought has plenty of software on it, and as far as I know, it's in working condition. The seller said it was in very good condition, and I can visibly see that. It looks like a very nice hard drive, and I'm hoping it's still in good condition after being shipped from like Texas Midwest area. Okay, this is the first time powering on my Macintosh SE with a brand new hard drive. See if it works. Startup chime. Screen works. Let's see. Hey, would you look at that? Got a status light is working as well. Welcome to Macintosh. Thank you. Wow. There we go. It works. Holy shit. It works. That is amazing. We have a working Macintosh.